Mamimo akwaba emfa umbra GCN page so meeting ede adwoa sechi. Mesrel subscribe to my channel. Founsa mi abe on so. Ube a notification video bia obenye bi ahwe. Na kire say oman Ghana ya ye womi politicians no omo enye baako. There is no unity amongst them. Just a kroye eni omuntem. Na sana kroye eni muntem no. Mu besi dan na mo come together. Na mo aboa oman Ghana emu youth no bebre enye adwuma enye. Oman Ghana ya complain say ye need enough hospitals e wo man mu. Number hospitals na e wo man mu no. Better e wo enye enough. Inti no ayarufu bebre ekwa sometimes ye huso mo e de da fam. Apem for mo kwakwo wo mo de da fam. Oman Ghana light it me bonani be 30 times a day. And na chese ensem e koso wo memu enye ensem keto akra. Inti anka politicians no ese mo ye baako na mo come together. Na mo na mo adwen e ye baako. NPP o, NDC o. Se NPP no mo power, NDC am opposition no. Mo beboa NPP. Na chese mo aye mpuntu djuma ana so mo aboa oman Ghana no. Enya dia sa e koso. Kunsu mini we nye ma fa we hu tan e na e wo politicians no omumu nti ze o man Ghana de ene na ye betena ho saa we eye asem sebe na de nti ameka say ina ne say eye o man FM omo newspaper review discussion omo ye no ene omo e kire say His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo Addo e na MPP aban no omo mfomo nan ensifem na omo nsake Npp Mps na omoto aba edi etia His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo Addo ni nominees na o appoint omo so onyo mba be adwuma no omo ministers no Npp Mps no omo tutia omo no Nanado nsake omo fi Parliament House because nya de ombe boa Nanado na membu no na akoso se mo de say tina omo amudi a na nya de ebeboa na de enti omo ka say na ne say enano ewo Parliament House abro moto aba Speaker of Parliament no Right Honorable Aban Babin and Professor Michael Kwe and omo age 9 Professor Michael Kwe NPP ni and Right Honorable Aban so NDC ni na Parliament House so no NPP for and omo ye majority wo ho omo ye 137 plus 1 independent into no abuom no mo aye majority and NDC for 137 almost your minority na bra bato no koso no and MPP for no ba ko share da say aba no ba ko so anto enti say Professor Michael Kwe ewe and Right Honorable Aban Babin emini fine because ni na your mind Ghana NDC MPP na e ba ko and na no so yanto wo mo koto aba Parliament House eye nominees and another appoint on ministers on your baby adwuma na NPP for mo ye majority of Parliament House or mo ye 38 no 37 plus independent into mo ye 38 no emu 7 etutia a Greek minister ena emu 3 so etu etia Honorable Hawa Kumsin ena emu 9 4 so etu etia ura kojo opon kroma Information Minister Papa Nano I will say I will be one another MP before 9 FTT honorable na chese omo keka sada no cry NDC for 10 and Parliament House it is imagine NDC for 10 one Parliament House that day so omo koya nka dey no besi na chese MPP for MPs no mo be say mo hananado adwumbo ni webu mutirim enti e ka kosi say na chese kro ye no do enti ase any politicians ni mu e wo Ghana ha no na yakọ ne say na adofo yenti ensem a omodi tu dwa e wo Oman FM newspaper review discussion mo eye ne so
ewi ase no na enipa enkono etuatia agric minister MPP for enkono green for no na ense nyensan so etuatia ha okomse green pen for no nine so etutia honorable konjo konkroma green pen for no ya wo mo use green pen for no na ye MPP na no na ni busa chief we say green pen o dey asem na see
Obenya amofa
San komo de bedu a kire we du ha ya.
Oh da tia o na ne di what san san ne no obenya san komo no kian kana bonti internal arrangement no mo but amofa yes yet to be di amofa Messi MPP and parliamentary leadership problem no was it in sabus no enough more what 137 go now what trust so many yes because first one 137 nipa ba ko be kan people 138 mo kwa to aba speaker na nipa ba ko atia Michael na ba kwa she da say ni die na e da koma ababa ben afeche ba bi ma na na adu no minism yensa mo yesi akoto so aba anya hwe obi aso they said ho body kwa e be win
because you don't say at least back.
yes and this for a mood do as said no mu parliament that day not and this for 10 of them no mu parliament that day it means ko da no mo parliament kwa afia kasen this
na so me say
it man je said Dr. Kodofi akoto na ne de ma nipa NPP for makoko 9
the 10 to about to
ana tutia no
the 10 is the first one is
Ekwanya minister
away
Ekwanya minister force ko tutia ha akumisen ana tresu tutia ko do point koma omunya NPP fo ye wo whip system no wo ho wo ba wan kasa we NPP ni a wo tutia sam benifo de busa wo say sese intra amagidia MPP for soldiers e wo mu wo parliament no ya shake more the shake ya ya the se competence competence you talk so no am for ayo wo
yes afo ne be wo
na obede na wo ho
omuti omodi o metima bu na me de me obi ka call me ho kiss person
e be odi woni na bubu
ona aboke so ni wo
me say call me ho kiss person say we omuti hu mo a party should find a way to dispel them from parliament
mo me ni komo wi quickly na fe yemra sa asem no ora set twuma kwabo Association of Ghana Industries CEO yankona yaneno eni enkomo budget no Open morning
morning me Joseph
what to say
Lami Adam
okay yana say the industries ya peje ho kakra
I'm say yakoyenim graduate na covid na beto mu no na ahadwen ya na nso no ni na chi no we are making gradual progress. I'm so sure statistics now we saw some improvement in the manufacturing's contribution to GDP. But last year, no, it never had to be revised. For example, net growth rate in manufacturing, it had been projected about 6%. It had to be reduced to about 1% because of the COVID. And the COVID number never assistant kakra. But otherwise, nanka progress. Interesting, you feel so ebeko.
More to two neighboring countries twe ho ahia menim say almost association no din komo ye de no ekose more to two omo twe ho ahia ho
a say COVID no hit obia countries ni bebre so asofasa na minya direct statistics are made media compare, but the indication we have on the ground is first the COVID no management ni at the say Ghana no ya ho ade pa ntino amma impact no atimi just atimi asomu kakra nti countries are antimi managing here no situation will be worse. That's what I can say, but in terms of actual growth in several areas no there some monitor statistics na kakra nsa na matimi aka ho asema manasi
Rosa Chuma kwabo wonu mu a eduru ho bi nkofie yanti binom salary so no ne ade no sesa kakra se mu di nkomo a
oh, I think say yes last quarter na
akokwa chokrodo because that time no person relevant here yin foforo enti onko raise issue na party for no say Sami comrade na Sami uko jina ho etwa antro ko jina ho ko twa antro say Akufo Addo ankra And a wow how did they do to parliament catch us we are truthful because papa ne kon in elect near kind of parliament. And no answer why. And I was starting say who the chairman general tem di no hoko concern eye Kwame Sifakai. Was starting say who di na tem na was starting say we boys ne ko ho no mo kokasa momum penema no kura na mo ko fa sa stupid erikeje no buni ni erikeje jimi ni boy bi no na ni say yi apotroka wono mo ko fa no say anytime bi obeba chairman general ho bia no onye gidigidi on che danye say ni say no yes fe na wo sami demfi you pivoted your own communicators against chairman general eye Kwame Sifakai. Kodin tro na papa no kochi one time no say asemo a wakoka fa me ho no enye no krenti same kotwe san. And now we are Hunkokoti, oh, Chairman General, but we cannot use this platform. What bodam? That is his platform. That Kokroko show belongs to Kwame Sifakai. So what he choose to do on that platform is what he choose to do. And yes, idea, ya be boycott. Na NDC for papa mpenifu amote ho. Mo pe mo party ni ya. Mo pe JM ya. Mo nim how big Peace FM is and how far Peace FM travels. Matias yama small boy we say ma communicate bi anko kokroko so na mpa ma anko ton mu dreams ma anko ton mu candidate kokroko so the prestigious morning show. I don't care what somebody is doing on their own, but kokroko dey me swakete you swakete kokroko everybody was listening to that. Moko so baller bets be di ho na mo de kan mo to say mo to ade left and right center e de chere chairman general ene e pamo mo Sami Jamfi wan fair no n2 ho for as a young boy, as a young guy who one day wants to become somebody in this country, you know, you did not look at your first 2 missteps now why you need to reassess. If you understand this to twegum to my name, yeah, president saying a nepotism and a nepotism. First, so 54 names nearby. Yeah, the names nearby. I feel the names 54 no, I got 24. I feel 24 no, see a woman cries, yeah, sensor, same pono, so I never bush any cry, or then I go school down there, and you know. Woodman Crawford, my Mahama cool school, I know many chief executives, and I'm a Mumu Didi. Tina Ghana Bokano. Or no Nebusia for no, one former question Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Wayo, no way to make you move. Or the almost share baby, your mom driver, mom car, mom fuel, mom be chief executives for. Chief executives for. And I'm a hammer bush and for. Okay, come on, share. Intimate member, Gina, never may you say, and who name what is happening. Hey, Mamma Chero Bibi. Say, would you concern a Buddha if you feel on our home? A B. And I got to NDC for it. Sami Jamfi call so ye yam penny for. Me say sometimes I say we are not be America. Say uwo. Hello, Brian, I come pa me ba be froze here. Say what to ho. Uwe bruchiri. Na say what say Sami Jamfi. Kasa wo radio so a. Hwe me ka me kire wo. Say unyo bi a we smart. Obedwene say entokwasi Ghana na say na Akufo Addo asai Ghana. Ne kura yesi asay no na Akufo Addo a wasay